Grandstand in a couple of minutes after a look at the weather prospects with Michael Fish.
Good morning to you. Well, certainly glorious weather prospects for today's match at Lords. No trouble at all. Nice, warm, sunny afternoon. It's lucky, though, that the match is in the south of England, because had it been further north, where this cold front's lurking at the moment, then I think there would have been problems, because there is a fair amount of rain, as a matter of fact, coming from that front at the moment. It's weakening all the time, and I think by the end of the day, the rain should have fizzled out, although there'll still be a belt of cloud around. But really, it's the high pressure that's dominating the scene, and that's going to be with us for another couple of days at least. So for most parts, still some fine, warm and quite sunny weather to come, although once again, in a day or two's time, many western parts will begin to see another frontal system creeping in from the west and bringing further outbreaks of rain. But still, that's a long way off. Let's now put some detail on today's weather for you. And we'll start in the south with the easy bit, and that's really most of Wales, except for the far northwest, and much of England up to about Yorkshire, Humberside, that sort of area. To the south of that line, a fine, warm, quite dry afternoon. Rather misty at the moment in one or two places, but that's clearing away nicely, so most places having a good deal of sunshine, with the best of the sunshine the further south you are. So along the south coast and in the Channel Islands, a good deal of sunshine, and turning out very warm as a result, with the temperature this afternoon up to 24 centigrade. That's the middle 70s Fahrenheit. In the north of Wales and northern parts of England, up into the borders, rather more in the way of cloud. Still some bright intervals, admittedly, from time to time, but that cloud perhaps thick enough just here and there to give one or two spots of rain. And in Northern Ireland and southern parts of Scotland, the cloud certainly is thick, and there's rather more rain there, some heavy bursts of rain at the moment. But you will notice, as the afternoon goes on, that that rain begins to die away, and eventually, come evening time, most places should be dry, although still with a fair amount of cloud. Central and northern parts of Scotland, again, the weather's fairly bright, but there are showers around, the showers heaviest and most frequent in the far north of Scotland, where it will be turning colder, I think you'll find, as the afternoon goes on. And then this evening and tonight, some showers still scattered around in those northern parts of Scotland, and perhaps the odd spot of rain in southern Scotland and Northern Ireland, although that dying away. And for most places, it's another dry night with well-broken cloud, although there will be some patchy fog by morning.
This afternoon's Saturday cinema presentation on BBC Two is Romanoff and Juliet, starring Peter Ustinov in a film version of his original stage play. And that's at 2:50. It's now 10:15 and time on BBC One for Grandstand.
A brilliant September Saturday at Lord's Cricket Ground to dress the last showpiece occasion of the 1981 season, the final of the newly named NatWest Trophy. And the supporters now taking their seats, it's a sellout naturally, are those of Northamptonshire and Derbyshire, whose last success was when they won the championship before the last war way back in 1936.